Welcome to Beach Walks with Rocks and Friends. You can find us at beachwalks.tv.
Hi everybody, we have a wonderful show in store for you today. We're going out for a canoe ride to the Mokuluas, and we have our expert steerswoman Mindy Clark here. You can find her at outriggercanoe.blogspot.com, and our friends Jeff and Carlos from LA, Stacey who paddles with Lanikai Canoe Club, and Dan Brown visiting from the very cold waters of Northern California. So, and somewhere down there is a Kaile girl. So aloha and have a great trip with us. I hope you enjoy it. You don't get to come. Where do you like to sit usually?
All three would be great.
Two? Do you want to sit in two? I can sit 4. Jeff can sit in 5.
5.
Feeling like a dog on the
Put me where you need the muscle.
There ain't no room on the streets for me, no.
Do you want to sit 1 and stroke for us, Stacey?
I'm living on the edge as I make the call. Someday gonna find me.
So Mindy's our world-class steerswoman.
Down these halls, nobody knows. It's like the rise and the fall. You gotta chance it all if you want something, yeah. You gotta chance it all if you want something, yeah. Wise words being spoken. I'm falling in love, but I stand no chance. I'm gonna keep on standing here anyway. Yeah, yeah, cause here we go on your stereo. If you wanna get somewhere, then you got to go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cause here we go on your stereo. If you wanna get somewhere, then you got to go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wise words being spoke like Indian smoke. Yeah.
Words are spoke, you should focus, y'all. My trail flow like a protest chant. The great spirit put everything in me that I wrote. I won't take credit for it, I'm just hitting the notes. They using mirrors and smoke to lie to folk. Gotta try to discern wise words from dope. I heard the coach, the real thing, coca leaving on. Now you tell me what's really going on. Let me lay it on. Every prophet was hated on, and every time somebody cool could get it pitiful. It's pitiful how these pit fools get put in front of you, but you gotta be smarter than them other dudes. When it's snow or rain, hail, sleet on your head, remind yourself I can sleep when I'm dead. When it's no way I can see your side, I remind myself to be quiet.
Wise words being spoken. Wise words being spoken. Wise words being spoken.